Hi everybody, I would like to introduce a new generation shader that combine advantages of traditional way of creating mesh with one material and advantages of many materials when it's applied to one mesh. So okay, first of all I'd like to introduce the model of traditional way. It's pretty quick. So first of all, as you know, with standard shader, we have different inputs for color. It's actually albedo for metallic and level smoothness and normal map. So traditional way we use big textures. Yeah, it's one is color, another one it's a metallic, and another normal map. Okay, what is advantages of this model? First of all, it's great for performance. What is the disadvantages? First of all, it requires pretty big textures. For this small model to have some details on it, we need to have 2K textures. For larger models we have 4K or even 8Ks. Also, we cannot change simple to adjust some parts. For example, if you want to change this mattress and change color, you need to open this texture with Photoshop, then change this background and to change this color. Yeah, and so it's not flexible. Okay. Second one, it's multi-materials. Yeah, multi-materials. Yeah. So what's the multi-materials? Multi-materials when we apply for different part of mesh some materials. For example, this model contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different materials. Yeah, one is for flower. Flower, it's like pattern. Yeah, and actually it contains one more mesh. I'll show you. Yeah, so as we can see, this is small polygon. Yeah, and this I apply PNG texture with transparency over it. So yeah, and it's more like complicated. As we see, it's has 5 submeshes. Yeah, and for performance this model is not good as traditional. Yeah, like traditional we can see it one submesh and that's it. Yeah, so okay, we continue. But if you can see, we can with many materials we are more flexible and we have better details. Yeah, for example, like this, like on the pillow part you can see like even look at the cloth, we can see details in the mattress, even some leather part. Yeah, and for example, if we compare with traditional one, okay, this traditional, this, yeah, from far away it's pretty close. These two models pretty close each other, yeah. So if it even like not too far, but when we come closer we can see definitely this pixelization, blurry part, this definitely sharper, more details, especially if you like to check this like pillow part, it's completely, you see, yeah, we see difference. So yeah, but multi-materials has disadvantages. Yeah, as I mentioned before, it's not good for performance when you have with a game many different structures, objects with many materials. It decrease performance. Yeah. So I develop a new shader. Okay, you can see this shader, new shader that contains, if you see, the same structure for mesh. This mesh is exactly the same, like if you see, it's a custom shader, and we have old way shader. Everything the same, nothing different. Okay, but as you can see, this with old way and traditional, we have some library part. New generation shader has the same advantages as multi-materials. So sharp textures, yeah, and as if you can see, it's exactly the same. Okay, we can, okay, this new generation, we can adjust many parts with the same. The model contains many materials. For example, for body, we can change like normal, we can change metallic values, smoothness, so we can create shiny, like some shiny or almost reflective parts. Yeah, in addition, we can change easily the different pattern. For example, we add, yeah, like wool, sorry, yeah, and add wool, and as you can see, it's completely different. Yeah, maybe you don't need like this, it's a little bit strange, like it's metallic, silver metallic. So yeah, decrease normal map, and it decrease, yeah, but as you can see right now, it's different. It's different, yeah, it's not a leather. It's some fabric, like, oh yeah. In addition, we can change color if we need it. For example, we need like green, yeah, like green, less saturated. Yeah, like maybe one more normal, but with less smoothness, with less metallic, and really easily to adjust each part of this model. For example, yeah, for pillow, okay, we can apply, for example, denim, and apply thermal, and now it's matched with the mattress. Yeah, okay, we just need to adjust pattern, maybe 5 to 5. Yeah, now as you can see, it's almost the same. Even right now we can change the body to denim too. Why not? Why not? Yeah. And remove this part a little bit like this, yeah, yeah, and decrease styling to 5, 5, yeah, 5 and 5. Yeah, increase normal if you need it. So right now it's completely bad with denim fabric. It's easy. Also, if you want to change legs, for example, we can adjust legs. Not big deal. Okay, for legs, yeah, for legs we have a color. For example, we decided to have like more gold stuff, some like this one, and create really shiny, yes, like almost reflective or completely reflective if you need it. Yeah, oh, it's cool. Yeah, maybe we don't need. I like see some silver stuff. There's less shyness. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, it's completely different. In addition, we can change pattern over bed. If you see on this stuff, you definitely see that this layer is over and has a little bit shadow. If you look for this one, new generation, it's like part of fabric. We can change metallic, this part, we can change color, create a little bit darker. So yeah, when it's like, Yeah, okay. In addition, we can change similar to many material shader, which is live without normal map details fabric. So now we can see it's completely all over it. Yeah. Even we can change to different kind of materials. We can create metallic, for example, create something like gold one, and just this one. And now we see it's reflective. It's like gold, and we can see how it's reflected skybox. In addition, we can change tiling and create our color, increase the size. Yeah, increase the size. All this texture, as you see, yeah, it's completely different. They put here, for example, yeah. Same case, you can switch and change to apply normal maps, and they have some different effect. Definitely, if you need it, you can create like this. Yeah, it's like so. It's pretty simple, and as you can see, this shader with a new generation shader has all features of many materials, traditional. Right now, it's time to check performance. Is it good enough? For performance or not? Okay, just we return. Okay. Okay, we return to all parts as it. Yeah, almost. Yeah, so it's almost the same. Okay, start test it. So in a game, just try to remove this stuff and place traditional way. So let's put 0. Yeah. And this is add, put 0 too. Okay. Start play game. What we see? First of all, batches 12, set pass calls 12, shadow capture 5, and graphics we cannot right now to check because it's not too much polygons, not too many ports. But first of all, to compare batches and set pass calls. Okay, it's 12 and 12. When we disable this mesh, we see 9 and 9. So it's increased. So this model increase batches +3 and set pass calls +3 too. Okay, disable it. Many materials. With many materials, as I told before, it decreased performance. Try to check. Yeah, absolutely. We see it's completely different. Instead of 13, it's now 23. And instead of 13, right, it's 19. Okay, and now try to compare with new generation shader. Okay. Set pass call 12, batches 12. It's exactly as traditional way, but as you can see, it's completely it's so flexible. You can adjust many parts, change textures, and you don't need to create huge texture which will decrease performance to when we start the game. If you have some questions, please comment it. If you like this video, yeah, just put like. That's it. Yeah, if I found that people interested about the shader, okay, in the next video I'll explain how it works and how people can use it. Thank you. Bye bye.